This is to show you how to checkmate with king and queen. So I'm going to start here. And the idea is to push the other king to the side, possibly to a corner, not necessary, but push him to one side. So on this one here, I'm going to start out way over here. There we go. All right. Now I'm going to get the king a little bit closer. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to do a tactic. Watch this. See, this field right here is this L shape away. It's kind of like the way the knight jumps. That's kind of L shape. Of course, the queen doesn't jump. It's just the shape of it. So I'm going to take the queen, and that's what I do. And then I keep doing that. And notice what happens. Okay, at this point, actually, I can actually get him closer to the edge. There you go. And notice way closer to the edge. Okay, now look at this here. I would like to go here or perhaps here because that again is that L shape here, but I can't get there. The queen can't get there. So here's what I do. The king is on the edge and I go here. Of course, don't go here or here because that's where the king gets you. So go here and there's the king on the edge. At this point, this is the time when my king needs to come in. And now I can checkmate when the two kings are opposing each other on the edge and the king is right here. I can checkmate. I have 3. 1 is here, 2 and 3. All of these will be checkmate. So let's just do it right there. Okay, try to give me the rook mate, but let's go back to the queen mate. Okay, I'm going to make a different move this time. Okay, let's say I go here. And you will succeed. You just have to pay attention to the normal tactics. So go here. Again, this little L shape here. You see it right here if you go here. So there we go. Okay, and you push the king to the edge. Okay, how do you get here? You can't. How do you get here? You can't. But what you can do is keep him on this side of the board. So go over here. I know it's not that little L shape, but you have him closer to the edge. At this point, you're already on the L, in the L shape, so you can't really do much there. So let's just get the king a little bit closer. There we go. It's kind of like a waiting move. And now there's the little L shape. And it keeps going. And again, he's on the edge, so I might as well go right here. And closer. Okay, and now you have to be careful because if you get too close, you will have a stalemate. So let's get the king closer. There we go. All right. And actually, this is a checkmate right here. Don't go here because then the king escapes. So right there. All right. Again, it always keeps giving me that rook there. So let's do it once more. Okay. Queen goes here, for example. All right. I don't really get that L shape here, so I'm just going to do something. Just don't get too close. So there we go. Okay. And here we go again. See that? Always that little L shape, right? Okay, can't do it here, but again, I can go here and I have him on the edge. Okay, he's on the edge. Might as well get my king in. Okay, don't get the king too close. Don't get the king here. That's a stalemate. So, right there. And checkmate right here because the queen is protected by the king. And there we go.